Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you may notice, I have a new phone, which means that our videos are no longer going to be foggy, which is great. I'm gonna do some wrapping today, so this will be wrapping the Gen Part 2. I'll catch you up kind of where we've been, where we're at, and then do some like rabbit speed wrapping. I've only got flares and a bumper left to do. We're getting close. So here we go. Bam. So this side is completely wrapped. I have gotten the roof wrapped. Let's see where we were at last time. I don't quite remember. We've had a lot going on. Front bumper's all wrapped. The headlights are back in. But yeah. So what I'm going to do today is, I can't walk that way. The splitter's in the way. I need to wrap the other flares on the other side. See, like there's one. It's all perfectly painted. And then I have the other front mounted that needs to be wrapped. So I'm gonna wrap the front one since it's already on the car, and that's how I prefer to do it. With them mounted, they don't flop around as much. You don't have to worry about holding the flare and holding the wrap. So I will get the phone set up and then we will get to wrap. I'm sure that was super quick for you. In reality, it was like an hour and 10 minutes, which really isn't that bad considering how curvy these things are. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. The hardest part about that, sorry, I'm sitting on a wheel and it moved. The hardest part about it was like working around the fin because obviously it's right in the way. But yeah, it's monster trucking, so maybe I'm going to air out and then we'll be back. Okay, that's better. Because yeah, we want to see this. Boom. So pretty. Okay, so we left off with me just finishing this door fender, so I'll show you what else I've gotten done. We've got both mirrors are done. I showed you the front end, that. My rear flare is done. We've got some interior stuff going on. So that door handle is the last thing that I have to wrap. I wrapped this one black because the chrome on Hyundai's likes to peel off and it looks not so great. So I gotta do that. I've done my center. I did like a project up there. It lights up. It looks pretty cool. What else is going on? Roof's good. Flare's good. I'm working on my back plates. My rear bumper is done. My tail lights are back in. We have put a lot of time in this last week. Oki turned 4. But yeah, all in all, I think this is probably the last wrap video for the Gen. So yeah, that's where we're at with the Jenny. We've got a few things going on, but they won't be in this video. That's my list. We're getting things checked off slowly. I would like to basically have the only thing that needs to be done be an alignment and some like rear wheel fitment adjustment. And we're pretty close. We're getting really close to having that done. And then we can do a full reveal, like out on the road. We can take it for a drive. I'm getting really excited. It's been a long winter. I know it doesn't feel that way for you guys probably because you get an update once a week. But yeah, having to do all that work, it's been... I'm glad it's coming to an end. But yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Check out the website for these. We also got hats in today, so I'll be posting those. And then we've got new jet tags. We got all sorts of stuff going on. See you next time.